So we got this awesome score here. We're changing some things, and we're going to change the fuel filter. And it's a good thing to change the fuel filter, because if we get water in them, they get dirt in them, they get corrosion. It's a good thing to change the fuel filter. You can see this one, it's kind of looking funky right there. And so with that, these here are what? How much did you pay for that? Like $5–10 bucks. So it's not much. We do need to make sure it does have the flow on there somewhere. Yeah, the little arrow right there. So we need to make sure that the fuel is coming from the fuel tank, so it would go this way. So we don't want to put it in backwards, because then it won't work right. And so
here
there's one there that shows the flow going that way. All right, you can pull it apart there. Sometimes it can be hard to get them off there. You had to use a pair of pliers to get them off there. And this has got some old gas. You can smell that nasty old gas. See if he can stick it. It goes the other way, I think. We want to make sure we get it right, going the right way. And this just helps with the engine running better. It will make it run smoother. It'll make sure it's getting good clean gas. It doesn't cost that much. I always change them out at every oil change. Again, it's not worth worrying about, is the fuel filter bad, what's making my motor run bad. This motor was actually running a little rough. It was running a little, it wasn't running. I actually had to kind of choke it some, so I don't know if it wasn't getting good gas. It could even be that the gas is old in this. We don't even know how old this gas is. So he'll burn it out pretty quickly, and hopefully it'll run better when they get new gas in there. But I always love putting a new fuel filter on the machine. It's something that will help it run longer, make it better. And yeah, so why do you want to put a fuel filter on the machine? Because it makes it last longer. You know, if you don't do it, it won't work right. So hope to help that out. If you want to check out to see how to change the oil on this Vanguard motor, Vanguard, and change out the spark plugs, I did a video on it. Check it out right here, and you'll see that video there. I'll see you in my next video.